Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Hostinger email profile picture. So first, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel and click on Emails. Under that, go ahead and select Email Accounts. Now, you'll see a list of the email accounts you've created. Just choose the one you want to update and click on it. Once you're inside the account settings, head up to the top right corner and click on the settings icon. Here, you'll see your profile section. Right below the profile picture area, there's a little edit icon. Click on that. This will let you upload a new photo. Just select the picture you want from your device, and once it's uploaded, you'll be able to resize and adjust it to make it fit nicely. Take a second to position it the way you like, and when you're happy with it, hit the save button. And that's it. Super quick and easy. If you go back into the settings again, you'll see that your profile picture has already been updated. Now, your hosting your email looks a lot more personalized and professional. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.